Hello, Lisa. How are you doing?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm doing well.
It's great to see you. Lisa, you were a speaker and a participant at our 8th Food Packaging Forum annual workshop this year. How did you enjoy that event?
Well, first of all, it was my first time presenting and attending. So I was so very honored to be able to speak. And it has such a great reputation that I was really excited. So that was a great experience. And overall, the conference was amazing. I think my most favorite part was the breakout sessions where attendees were able to speak together and review the content of the presentations more in depth.
Oh, great. That's good to hear. Thank you for that feedback. Great. So, during your presentation, you spoke about US state action in the area of food contact materials and certain chemicals of concern. What was your main takeaway from your presentation?
Yeah, I think the main takeaways from the presentation are that state environmental agencies are taking action to address toxic chemicals through current regulatory mechanisms, and many are taking action to ban food contact materials containing PFAS and others, despite the lack of national regulatory coordination. And materials and products are a major source of pollution, yet our antiquated environmental rules focus on the smokestack or the point source and aren't really effectively addressing chemicals as a class. So I think at all levels, we have to certainly recognize and put a lot of effort towards working together at every single level, including government, nonprofits, and businesses to get to the effective changes that we want.
Mm, making the changes at the source, not end of pipe, basically.
Exactly.
Great, wonderful. Thank you so much. If you want to hear more about Lisa's presentation, please go to her full talk and you can watch all the details that she shared with us. Thanks, Lisa. Take care.
Thank you, Jane.